We're here.
Kaibigan, malandi ko kasi.
Doing the first thing.
Lashes,
Ayan.
everything.
And eyebrow. Eyebrow lamination. May binigay na sa'yo?
Ako ba nandyan?
Kaya kinakabahan.
Kung saan gusto mo, oh.
Sa baba.
Dito? Sa taas-taas.
Taas mo pala konti
Dito,
daw.
yung mga dito sa taas. Bye!
Yan, dyan daw.
I will do part-time job.
Ay,
Parang hindi naman,
ingat din.
Bye, ma.
parang hindi naman makikita dyan.
Bebe, dito. Oh,
Huwag dyan. Dyan sa pagitna sa medyo bababe.
dapat ang ano kasi
Ayan,
dito.
yan, Justin. Oo, yan. Dyan lang.
Hindi dun sa pinakataas
Ay,
doon.
ito sa taas. Dito.
Kasi be, pag inano mo yung buhok mo,
Dito.
pag inano mo yung,
Dito.
Yesterday.
yes, pag inano mo yung hair mo, mako-cover siya. Tsaka mako-cover siya, hindi din siya mapapansin.
Dito.
Dalawa?
Isa lang muna.
So in salons, how much you are charging?
70.
See, but for you, she is doing free. This is nice of getting friends and different.
This is my beautiful teacher.
The one who did my bangs is Justin. The last time.
Oh, last time on that one, you were doing.
That's the perks of having a lot of friends. They will give you
If
like
you want hair keratin, hair protein.
I want to do the Botox.
Botox.
Botox or keratin something?
Keratin, it's just the same. They have different
Products.
isa lang.
yes, but actually it's the same procedure and the same.
But I think Botox is rich in protein comparing to keratin.
No, they're all treatment.
Ano yun?
So it's just the same.
It's a protein treatment.
Yeah.
Ano
For
kayo?
hair. Keratin is the natural substance that is presenting in your nails, hair, skin, everywhere. Okay.
There is salon
Saan
here,
ako maliligo?
beside the menu. Did you try here, ma?
Tapos lagyan mo ng ano.
Beside
iikot-ikot mo.
this building.
Everyday?
Yeah, mezzanine only.
I don't know whether they are doing
Yeah.
the proper way or not.
No, I'm going there always. Yes.
Okay, let me see.
Try.
Ayan na.
Before I was also
Go
having
na.
second I
Kaya
was
yan,
Bebe,
hearing,
bebe, hindi
but
pa
my
Myself,
parents
ito na.
Kunwari, dama-dama tayo.
Hindi naman nakikita.
Dito sa kabila.
Kaya mo yan,
Ayan,
girl.
kami.
We're chatting, ano?
Go, girl. Go, girl. Kaya mo yan.
Wait lang, parang baril ba yan? Malakas yung tunog?
Hindi, wala yan. Oo.
Go, girl. Ayan na, girl. Pak.
Oh,
Ayun na.
it's done. Sakit?
Sakit ah.
done.
Done.
You're scared?
I didn't see.
So, hindi ko muna paliliguan to?
No.
Ano mo, lalagyan mo
It's
lang ng
okay.
alcohol and oil
Dapat pala dito ako.
para umano. Para magano.
Okay na. Tapos na.
Ay, hindi ko